guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be making some $1 slime and I'm also going to be making a $1 squishy. So basically everything that I'm using in this video is from Dollar Tree. I've done a video like this on my second channel before, so in case you guys haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link for it below. But I hope you guys enjoy this one. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. And yeah, with that all being said now, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, first off, I'm going to be making slime using ingredients that I bought from Dollar Tree. So I was able to find some clear glue and I'm gonna go ahead and pour that into a bowl. The bowl, by the way, is also from Dollar Tree. And then from the craft section, I found some glitter poster paint. I want the slime to be a purple, so that is the color that I'm going to be using today. I do really like this paint, but one thing that's annoying about it is that when you add it in the beginning, it's like super chunky, so you have to like mix it in for a while to get rid of the chunks. But other than that, it is really good for the price, and it has like these little specks of glitter that just make it so pretty. Anyway, now I'm gonna go ahead and activate the slime. At Dollar Tree, I was also able to find these quick erasers, and you get 2 sponges in one pack. So I'm gonna take one of the sponge and I'm gonna cut it into small cubes to make some jelly cube slime. And now I'm going to fold the cubes into the slime. And once that's done, I'm going to put the slime in an airtight container and let it sit for about a day or two so that it can clear up. I'm gonna top it off with some gold glitter, and there is the jelly cube slime all completed. Now I'm going to show you guys how I made a squishy using items from Dollar Tree. So in the makeup section, I found this beauty sponge, and this was like the closest thing I could find to replace memory foam. I do want to mention that this is not slow rising by any means, but it was pretty squishy, so it's gonna have to do the job. So using my pair of scissors, I'm going to first cut off the bottom of the sponge. Now here I'm kind of rounding off the edges so that it's not like a flat base, if that makes any sense. The top of the sponge is pointed, so I'm gonna cut that off and just kind of round it off, I guess. From the paint section, I was only able to find 4 colors of fabric paint. So I definitely don't have that much to work with. So I ended up mixing some white and turquoise fabric paint. And using a popsicle stick, I'm going to paint the squishy. I also picked up a set of paintbrushes that were surprisingly very good quality, and using some black acrylic paint, I'm going to add a cute face. I know this squishy is simple, but I think it's very cute. It also kind of reminds me of like a blob of slime. Or maybe that's just me, but as you can see, it's very squishy and it's also very soft. And that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. But before I end this video, I want to give out a huge shout out to my notification squad. Thank you guys so much for your comments. And if you aren't part of the notification squad already, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and leave me a comment down below to be featured in my next one. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.